Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2022 Kawasaki Vulcan S. This 650cc twin-cylinder cruiser just arrived with only 890 miles on the odometer. Fuel-injected, liquid-cooled, 6-speed transmission. This electric start, lightweight cruiser just arrived. Price to sell at just $82.90. She's got the engine guards, the locking Viking saddlebags, windscreen. It's got a power source for your Apple phone. We have finance and we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.